Hello and a warm welcome to everyone joining us today. I'm your host Dalvinder Kaur from lovely Professional University. So let's dive into today's topic: why all are engineering jobs becoming AI jobs, leveraging AI and agentic systems for next gen data solution. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day, Mr. Akash Das. Welcome, Mr. Akash. He is Vice President, Solutioning and Capability Building, Futurance Technologies Private Limited. Bringing over 8 plus years of expertise as a solution architect and data specialist trainer, Mr. Akash has successfully led numerous high impact projects and training programs for prestigious clients including Infosys, Walmart, and more. So now I would like to introduce the admission nominee also in this webinar, Ms. Asha Rani, Assistant Professor and Coordinator, BTech, MTech, ECE, PhD ECE, Department of Communication, Division of Admission, Lovely Professional University. Before we proceed further in today's session, I would like to request everyone for any questions. You can write in the chat box or in the Q&A box, and same will be done from my side in the end of this webinar. Now I'm going to hand over this session to our experts, Mr. Akash Das and Ms. Asha Ranian. It would be an absolute delight to listen from them. Over to you both.
Thank you so much and welcome everyone to this wonderful webinar today. So this afternoon, we are going to be talking about a new program, a brand new revolutionary program, which is shaped to change the face of BTech here in India. Now, presenting to you guys a BTech in AI and data engineering, right? So this is an exciting opportunity, guys. We'll be starting about the program details in a few moments, right? So thank you for being here, first of all. And I know you could be anywhere else right now, but you chose to be here and to invest this time. And I promise you that this is a decision you will thank yourself for. We are here today to talk about transformation. As you can see on the screen, LPU's motto is transforming education, right? And transforming India through that. But we are taking it a step further. We are here to discuss how you can transform your life. We are unveiling a program that is not just a degree, but a launchpad. This is the Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering, but with a specialization that is defining our times: artificial intelligence and data engineering. And this revolutionary program is powered by a name that is redefining the entire tech talent landscape in India, Futurance. You see that name on the bottom, right, or the pamphlets over here, or on the top, right? The Godfather of Talent. Yes, uh, we are called so for a reason, and you are about to find out why, right? So, who is Futurance? You might be wondering, right? Think of us as the ultimate bridge between education and your dream career. We are a disruptive force with just one vision, that is to find brilliant minds like yours, and often from cities and towns across the country, and sculpt them into tech leaders that will lead the global revolution in AI. Now look at the numbers. This isn't just a dream venture. This is a giant with a proven track record. We are over 450 employees, more than 2,300 tech talent already placed in top companies, partnerships with 100 plus corporations, and multiple universities like LPU, and even collaborations with the titans of Indian education like IITs and IIMs. And we also have international or global mobility pathways for higher education, like an MS in the US or in Europe, and various PG diploma and MTech programs with IITs and IIMs. So we are not just preparing graduates; we are remodeling engineering education. Uh, and our vision doesn't just stop at the borders of India. Futurance has built a unique pathway to the world's best opportunities. So we have partnerships with over 40 top-tier US universities. I want you to see the names on the slide: Drexel, Rutgers, Stony Brook, Rochester. Now, why am I showing you this? Because it speaks to the caliber, the global recognition, and the incredible network that is powering your BTech degree right here at LPU. When an organization like ourselves has this level of international trust, you know you are in the safest and most powerful of hands. Um, this slide is where your future starts to become real. Please take a moment and just look at the logos. This is not a wish list, this is a list of active partners, over 220 multinational corporations, including more than 75 Fortune 500 giants. If you don't know Fortune 500, they are the largest 500 conglomerates in the world. And they trust Futurists to build their talent pipeline here in India. We are talking about Deloitte, Accenture, JP Morgan Chase, Barclays, Coca-Cola, Johnson and Johnson, Philips, Qualcomm, etc. Now, here is the secret. These companies don't just hire Futurists talent; they actively participate in building it. These companies, they help design your curriculum. The leaders conduct master classes for you. They provide real world projects and case studies you will work on. So from day one, you are not just learning theory from a book, you're learning what the industry needs directly from the industry itself. Now, so become the kings and queens of the new AI world. Which brings us to the heart of our conversation today, right? This program, the BTech in AI and D, artificial intelligence and data engineering. We call it becoming kings and queens. Why? Because in today's digital kingdom, AI is the brilliant mind that creates the strategies, makes predictions, and builds incredible things. But that brilliant mind is powerless without its lifeblood, and that lifeblood is data. Data engineering is the art of, and also not only art and science of building the systems that will collect, store, and feed that data to the AI. One without the other is incomplete. Together, data and AI, they're an unstoppable force. An AID professional isn't just a coder. You will be the architect of intelligence itself. You will be the one who make the magic happen at scale, right? So now let's talk about opportunity. Because passion is wonderful, but passion that pays the bills and builds a life is even better, right? So don't just take my word for it. Look at the data. Openings for AI engineers and data scientists have shot up by 32% in recent years, particularly in the last couple of years. According to NASSCOM and BCG, India's AI market is exploding. It is set to hit $17 billion by 2027. And the entire market space with valuations and market caps is supposed to hit $5 to $7 trillion by 2027, by the time you guys will be ripe for graduation. So NASSCOM also reports that the demand for AI talent like you is growing at a blistering 15% compound annual growth rate, CAGR rate. So that means every year 15% of the jobs are getting added new to the existing pool of jobs. What this means is simple. The world has a problem. It needs more AI and data engineering experts that it can find. That is the current market demand. But there is a paucity, there is a lack of such talent in the market. This program is the solution for the industry and more importantly for you. You are stepping into a career that is not just in demand, but it is future proof. So, how do we make you a king or a queen in just 4 years? Now, with a journey that is meticulously designed for success. This is not your traditional theoretical engineering degree. This is a mission. Year one, we will build your foundation, but we don't wait. We begin your placement training from the very first year itself, building your skills and industry awareness. Year two, the game will change. You dive deep into data engineering concepts. You get your first global certification and you do your first 3 month internship. Yes, you heard that right. Real industry experience while your peers from other parts of the country are still in the classroom. You master machine learning in year three. You get yet another global certification. And you guessed it, another 3 month internship to sharpen your skills. And not to mention, by this time, your placement drives will have started. You will get to prove your mettle. We would have meticulously prepared you over 2.5 years to face such scenarios so they will seem like a piece of cake for you. In year four, you are happily placed. You conquer artificial intelligence, you know data engineering, you complete two more global certifications, and you embark on a massive 6 month industrial internship. This often directly converts into a full time job of offer through PPOs even before you graduate. So you end with your final placement training and complete to ready to, or I would say, final industry simulation, and you are complete and ready to take on the world, right? Just to reiterate some key highlights of the program, right? So let me summarize the incredible unique advantages of this particular program and the promises we make to you. First, and this is a game changer, a conditional letter of intent in year one. Imagine the confidence, the peace of mind, knowing that you already have been earmarked for success from your very first year. While others worry about the future, you will be busy building it. Second, 3 internships. This means you can graduate with up to 1 full year of real world work experience on your resume. By the time you graduate, imagine who do you think a top company will hire? A fresh graduate with only a degree, or the LPU Futurance graduate with a degree and a year of experience? It's not really a contest as well. Third, we give you free training for placements for globally recognized certifications. And these are the credentials that will make your resume stand out to recruiters worldwide. And finally, you will receive mentorship from the Futurance Leadership Council. Those company logos that I showed you, there are partners, there are advisors. So their leaders, their CXOs, their VPs are with us in the form of Futurance Leadership Council. I'll show you more about them in a bit. They are the absolute titans of the industry from Man, Fortune 500 companies, and you get their guidance, their wisdom, and their network. Now, finally, for the tech savvy students, will arm you with an arsenal of the most in demand tools and technologies on the planet. This is the stuff that gets you hired at the end of the day. In data science and AI, you will master Python, NumPy, Pandas, machine learning, deep learning. For data engineering, you will command Spark, Big Data, Hadoop, AWS, Azure, and more. And yes, we are diving head first into the revolution that is generative AI. You'll be working with LLMs, LangChain, Hugging Face, building with AI agents, and you won't just use the future, you will build it. So will also be a part of Futurance AI Clinic, right? What is this Futurance AI Clinic? It is a novel initiative by Futurance where you get access to FLA, Futurance Learning Assistant, Futurance Project Assistant, your AI first study help, buddy, and mentor. You will get access to industry leaders, face to face time with them. You will get access to actual RFP based industrial projects, all because of Futurance AI Clinic. And this is a Futurance School of AI. This is the result of it all. This is the destination. The career, the growth, the life you can build is right in front of you. Look at the career path. You start as a data analyst with an average salary of around 9 lakhs per annum. I'm talking about even the moderate students, right? Not the stellar, the academic stalwarts, the stellar ones. Just being a decent enough student will get you around 9 lakhs per annum. You grow into a data engineer, a data scientist, an AI ML engineer with salaries climbing to 13, 16, 19 lakhs within a year or two. And for the masters of the craft, for the best of the best, roles like data architect will await, with average salaries touching a staggering 24 lakhs per annum. So the graph on the right here tells you the whole story. The fastest growing tech jobs for the next decade are machine learning engineer, data scientist, and data engineer, as you can see. This program places you right at the epicenter of that growth. Now, let us come to Futurist Leadership Council. I mentioned mentorship from them. I want you to see their faces and their designations and their corporations. These are real people, real leaders invested in your success. We have leaders like the head of data and analytics from Kellanova, the chief data and AI officer from TVS, a vice president from UHG, one of the largest healthcare company in the world, the director of engineering from Thomson Reuters, a director of data engineering from Lois. I was just on call with Saurav around half an hour ago. We were discussing about changes to make in the curriculum to keep it up to date, and 40 plus of these stalwarts will help design your curriculum, give master classes, and provide guidance. So this is the godfather of talent network, and it will become your network. Now, here are some more leaders. You can look up Futures Leadership Council on YouTube as well, and you'll get a very nice video telling you about their work experience and how they're associated with us. And at the end of the day, our greatest strength is our students. Students just like you, full of ambition and potential, who are already on this journey in our state of the art facilities across Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, LPU, and much more. You will be part of a vibrant, driven community along working towards a shared goal of excellence. And not to mention the global mobility pathways that you will get as a part of this program. Once you complete 3 years, you have an option of a 3+1, means completing your fourth year in a US or European university. You also have a 3+1+1 opportunity where you can complete your master's, your bachelor's plus master's in the US or in Europe in an expedited manner thanks to Futurance. And you get direct access to these pathways because of Futurance and because of being a part of Futurance School of AI. You also get access to Futurance AI Clinic, to our AI bots, to 40 plus AI tools, to FLC leaders. You also get access and provision to get direct certifications from IIT Jodhpur, IIT Roorkee, IIT Jammu, IIMs, after your graduation. Because of Futurance known entrance needed, you can get direct entry into them. After 1 or 2 years of work experience, you can even get direct entries into the Futurance partnered programs with IITs and IIMs, the master's program, without having to give GRE, GATE, GMAT, etc., and get even more accolades on your certificates. So, to bring it all together, right? Why, why this program? And why LPU powered by Futurance, right? First of all, you learn directly from the people who are leading the AI revolution in the real world, the FLC leaders themselves. You have unparalleled guidance and networking from seasoned CXOs and tech leaders. You will learn on the state of the art learning management system, LMS. Futurance's proprietary in-house LMS designed for focused and effective education. And the influence is undeniable. Over 33.5 million views on our expert sessions online. And this is the brand, this is the power and the engine that will be delivering your career forward. So, as our quote says, collaboration is the essence of life. Today, we are inviting you to the ultimate collaboration, a partnership between a great university, LPU, and an industry powerhouse, Futurance. And the most important ingredient, missing ingredient in this, is you. So, your future is not just a matter of chance, it's a matter of choice. Right now, in this moment, you have a choice to make. You can continue down the same path, or you can choose to step onto the launch pad that will define your career for decades to come. The seats for this revolutionary program are by design limited. We are looking for the most passionate, the most driven, and the most ambitious students. The application portal is now open. The link is being, you can reach out to the admissions team to get to know more. And do not let this opportunity become a memory of what could have been. Make it the moment your future began. Imagine 4 years down the road, you'll be writing your own stories, and its beginning will be with this webinar, right? So, I'll with this, I'll end my part and hand it over.
Thank you so much, Mr. Akash Das. So now I would request to admission nominee Ms. Asha Rani to be on the screen. Over to you, Ms. Asha Rani.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Just let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you're audible. Your screen is visible. You can continue.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Okay, let me discuss about our university. As Sir said that we have logo transforming education and transforming India, and I'm feeling proud to share with you all that as nowadays everyone knows that LPU is one of the India's largest and most prestigious private university, and it has been established in 2005. We are having 200 plus programs across 40 plus disciplines, and we are having 30,000 plus students from more than 50 countries, and we are a hub for academic excellence. Industry partnership mean we are having multiple programs that Sir had discussed about the program in a collaboration with Futurance. So we have multiple programs in tie up with industry. So let me first discuss about our ranking and approvals. We got NAC A++ grade with the highest score, that is 3.68 on the scale of 4, and we are first university among all the private universities who is having this much score, that is 3.68. And as far as another accreditation and approvals are concerned, we are before starting any program, we always ensure that whichever accreditation and approvals are required, we must have before the start of that program. So we are a UGC accredited, and for the agriculture programs, we are having ICAR accreditation. Mean for different programs, different accreditation and approvals, whichever are required, we all have. We are NB accredited, and we are also having approval from Council of Architecture, Bar Council of India, and similarly from NCT for every program, whatever approval is required. We have all that. And as far as ranking are concerned, in NIRF ranking, we are 27th. We are on the position of 27th. And as far as engineering is concerned, we are at the 50th number. And if I'm talking about World University ranking, we are at the fourth position. And if I'm talking about Times Higher Education, we are 99th. Yes, we are 99th in worldwide. And we are at the sixth position in India. So we are ahead of many renowned organizations in education. And membership, as concerned, we are also the member of multiple organizations. We are the member of Association of Indian University (AIU), and we are also the member of IAU, International Association of University. Similarly, Institute of International Education and Institute of Engineers. We are also the member of Association of Commonwealth Universities. So if I'm talking about campus and facilities, our campus is also world-class campus we are having. We are having 600 plus acre campus, and we are having modern infrastructure, smart classrooms, and then we are having center of excellence labs and libraries. And we are having different department. We are having one, every department is having their own library, and we are having one central library also. And if I'm talking about accommodation, we are having accommodation facility. We are having AC, non-AC, and we are having apartment and standard rooms also. And we are having a very big state-of-the-art sports complex. We are having swimming pool, that is the Olympic size all-weather swimming pool, and we are also having gym facilities, because we believe in not in the academic growth of our student, but we are also taking care of their health, and you can say their co-curricular activities also. We are having similarly, we also believe in spiritual growth of the students. We are having a counseling cell in our university, and we are having career support cell, international student support services we are also having. So, as I discussed previously, that we are having sports, state-of-the-art sports facilities, and this is our Olympic-size all-weather swimming pool, and we are having courts, badminton court, then basketball court, and each and every facility, whichever required for the student, we all have. So residential facilities, we are having apartment, we are having standard room, AC as well as air cooled, and we are having laundry service within our residential facility, mess facility, and gym facilities also there in our residential facility. And if I'm talking about research and innovation, we are also at the top position. We are having 26,500 publication. And if I'm talking about Scopus citations, we are having 1,78,000 plus citation. And funded projects, we are having 9,500 plus, that funded projects are in lakhs. And see, as far as placements are concerned, you must have seen on the social media also, our two students got package includes, this package include, one student got 1 crore package and second student got 2.5 crore package. We are having we provide a PP class, personality enhancement program. I mean, from the very first day, we guide and we prepare our students for the placement, and if they want to go for the corporate sector, or if they want to go for the public sector, whichever sector they want to go in, they want to join, we always guide them. And these are the success stories of our students. Our mottos are everywhere. So, not only in curricular activities, but in extracurricular activities, our students are doing wonders, and we are having different. We conduct different events, just like One India. You can say One World. Different types of events are being conducted in our university, and you can say personalities, great personalities in almost every field. They visit our university campus. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. See, let me tell you one more thing that in 2019 we conducted an Indian Science Congress, and as you know that there is a slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan, and the fourth line was the fourth tag was added by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji in that Indian Science Congress in 2019. That is Jai Anusandhan. Now it is Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan, and Jai Anusandhan. We conduct seminars, workshop, conferences time to time for the development of our students. We also conduct a skill development program workshops. Then research conferences are being held. Then, as I told you, that we are having collaboration with the international universities also, and multiple programs are being run under this. And time to time, we conduct guest lectures by the industry experts, also time to time. So one more initiative, I think our university is the first university who had taken this initiative. We are offering study grant. Study grant means we are assisting the student financially if they are good in studies. So if they are not even the student of our university, even then we are assisting them financially. If student is getting admission in, he had qualified RLP Nest and he had taken admission. He has taken admission in NIT, IIT, AIMS, and you can say in fashion technology, whichever field. So IIT, NIT, IIM, then IHM, we are offering study grant 1 lakh per student. Scholarship opportunity, we are having ample scholarship opportunity. You can get the scholarship on the basis of your in academics also. We are having financial aid also. We are having scholarship on the basis of sports and cultural achievement also. We are having a special scholarship that is 100% scholarship with the free accommodation for the university and board toppers. And we are having one more Rakshak Saman and Sikshak Saman also. And we are recently we have also started Jai Jawan. I mean, if you are taking admission in online programs and you are in service in defense, you can get 100% fee waiver. Sports, our student, and I mean everyone knows Neeraj Chopra. He had done wonder, and other students also have done wonders in sports field. These are the glimpses of our students' achievement. We are the first runner-up for Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Sports Trophy, and we are the first ever university which clinches this title since its inception. So you might be get to know that how to get admission in that program that sir had already discussed. So it's better if you can come live with me so that I can provide you the information how to mean whichever I had discussed you can see on our website also. So let me take you all to our website. Just wait. I hope website is visible. Ma'am, can you confirm please?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible. It's visible.
Thank you. So this is our university. is that is www.lpu.in. Here you can get whichever we had discussed: infrastructure, accreditation, ranking, placement. These information you can get from our university website. So let's go to that program. You can click on admissions, and if you want to know about campus life, you can see all this. You can have all this information from here also. So you can click on admission, and you can click on program after 12th. Let's go to regular programs. And if you want to go in CSE, you can click directly go to computer science and engineering discipline from here, or you can go to through engineering also. So let's go through computer science and engineering. So here multiple program. We are having 4 year core BTech CSE also, and we are having uh, industry collaborative program owners as well as non-owners, and we are having work integrated programs also. So these are the program with multiple specialization under computer science and engineering. So let's discuss BTech CSE, AI and data engineering in tie-up with Futurance. So you can click over that. Here, whichever sir had discussed, you can get information from here also. So if I'm talking about this is BTech CSE, AI and data engineering in tie-up with Futurance. So let me discuss first about the eligibility. Its eligibility is you must pass with 60% aggregate marks in your 12th, and you must have studied physics, maths, and English subject. And you either you need to qualify your our LP nest, or if you are having good score in your J double E mains, that is 80 percentile above, you will be eligible. But you need to appear. In addition to that, you need to appear in interview by Futurance Technology. So if you want to know about the what are the guidelines for to appear or to clear these this interview by the Futurance company, you can click on it, and here you can find out the guidelines. So English subject is mandatory, but if you had not studied English subject, if your medium of instruction was English, then even then you can get the admission. So if I'm talking about, you can get the curriculum of this program from the university website itself. Here different program, when we are having foundation and core courses, industry we are having some courses with industry collaboration, open minor, you can get information about all that. Now let's discuss about fee. So as far as fee is concerned, standard fee is that is 2 lakh per semester. But as I told you that we are having multiple scholarship options. So if, as I told you, that either you need to clear our LP nest, or you need to have 80 percentile in your JEE. So if you are having good score in your LPU nest, or you are having JE percentile, then you can get scholarship, good scholarship. So if your score in JEE in 80 percentile plus but less than 90, you can get 10% of program fee as your scholarship, and this scholarship will remain same throughout your BTech. In all the 4 years, this scholarship will be applicable. So with the scholarship, the fee will become 1,80,000 if you are having JE percentile 90, more than 90, and less than 95, 90 to 95, or your score in 12th class, that is more than 90 and less than 95, or if you are having good score in LPUNS, so you can get 15% of your program fee as your scholarship. In that case, your fee will become 1,70,000. Similarly, if you are having higher score, you can get 20% of your program fee as your scholarship, that is 40,000, 50,000, and accordingly your fee will become this 1,60,000, and it will remain same throughout your degree program. So degree duration. So we are having uh, scholarship on the basis of, as I told you, that qualifying exam, that is your 12th and LPUNS and JEE means. Now how to apply for this program. So whenever you are visiting our website, there is a apply now. You can click on here, and you can fill in all your basic information here, and you can get registered. So after that, your login ID and your password will be sent to your mail or registered number, and you can get it registered, and you can visit your portal for all the program, and you can apply that. Now let's me discuss, just wait. mean, when you are going to apply that, if you have already scored JEE, then you can get exemption from the LPNS. But if you want to appear for the scholarship, you can appear on that. And after that, you need to qualify for your interview. You can book the interview slot, and after that, after clearing the interview, you will be allocated the seat, and accordingly, you can get the admission. So now let me discuss, till which date you can apply. So already our online examination is being conducted, so it has been started 3rd June onwards. Last date to apply and to get this maximum scholarship, that is 15th of June, and the date of entrance examination will be, it has been started from 6th of June. So last date is 15th of June. Your result will be declared within 24 working hours, and after that you can book your slot, and within the next 2 to 7 days, and after clearing, then within this result of this interview again will be conducted within 24 working hours, and the last day to take admission is 20th of June. So this is all about how to get enrolled for this program. So if you have any query, you can ask. That's all.
Thank you so much, Ms. Asha Rani. And can we take the questions of Mr. Akash Das and Ms. Asha Rani?
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. Thanks for giving me a chance to address your questions. Now let's start with first question. Gurpreet is asking here, how is the integration of AI reshaping the core responsibilities of traditional engineering roles across industries?
Yeah, I'll take this up. So, integration of AI is pretty evident, pretty common around us. Any product that we are seeing, any major companies that we have seen in the last year or two have only talked about AI in their latest press releases and versions and updates. So, AI is becoming the next digital gold. Now, uh, this its integration is changing the fundamental nature of products. If you're using a phone today, the newest features, your galleries, your dialer app, your recorder app, all of them contain AI. So we need more engineers who will be able to enhance this AI, at the same time tap into it to enable better workflows for the future. So you need good vision, but you need good hard technical skills, which you can get through this particular program, both in AI and in data engineering, which feeds the AI.
Thank you so much, Mr. Akash Das. I hope, Gurpreet, you got your answer from our today's expert. So Radhika is with us. Radhika is asking, what are agentic systems and how do they differ from conventional AI models in delivering next-gen data solutions?
Yes, that's a good question, Radhika, right?
Yes.
Yes. So first of all, I'll address the second part of your question first, the later part. How are agentic systems changing the traditional systems, traditional AI systems? So a traditional AI system, think of it like a machine learning model that can predict the stock market price or gold price for tomorrow, that can predict the weather, can predict a match results. You provide a bunch of data in a fixed format. A model, if it is built to play chess, that model can only play chess. It can only become good at playing chess. That's the traditional ML, you can say, angle at it. Now, um, we are covering AI agents as a part of this curriculum. What AI agents are? They're intelligent virtual human beings who can carry out tasks tirelessly and effortlessly. So, for example, let's say today I want a personal assistant, a digital personal assistant who can do everything. Like I'm taking this webinar for you guys. Let's say uh, if I had a personal assistant, they could have taken notes of the questions you are asking, and we could have researched better on them and come up with more data points in the next time. Or during the webinar, if I said certain facts, they could have noted it down, fact checked me. These all would be useful for me. Or if you're a student, you could have a personal assistant who could have noted down the main important uniqueness of this program, why it is the best, what data points are given automatically, would have made notes of questions to ask right after the interview, right after the webinar automatically. Then which specialization is fit for you. Is AID really the next future? It could have gone to the internet, pull up data points to search against it, pull up. I told you to look up about Futurist Leadership Council on YouTube. That AI agent could have done that, watch the video, given you a gist of it, or snapshots from it. Think of all of these things happening automatically, and the same foundational model, let's say chat gpt or gemini, is able to do different kinds of tasks. It can create images, create videos, create essays, create code for you. So agentic AI is multiple of these smaller agents. They are all working together like virtual assistants or virtual employees of an organization. Hope that is clear to you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Akash Das. I hope, Radhika, you got your answer from our expert. So, Miss Asha Rani is also with us. Ma'am, someone is asking to LPU provide the residential facilities also?
Yes, definitely. We are having a world-class, you can say, residential facility. We are having standard rooms also, and we are having apartment also, and that is safe and secure. That is the most secure, you can say, place. And in residential facility, we are having mess facility, and we are having sports complex also. There are so multiple facilities we are having.
Thank you so much, Miss Asha Rani. I hope, dear, you got your answer from our today's expert. So, Mr. Akash Das, Dilpreet is with us. So Dilpreet is asking, how do AI and agentic systems enhance the efficiency and accuracy of data-driven engineering solutions?
Yeah, I'll tell you about it. So who was the asker again? Did not catch the name. This is asked by Dilpreet, right?
Dilpreet.
Yeah.
Dilpreet.
So Dilpreet, AI and data engineering together are creating a powerful synergy right now that is reshaping the entire tech landscape. They are no longer separate fields but two sides of the same coin. Right? For AI to function effectively, especially at a large scale, the likes of Meta, the likes of Google, what they are doing, Tesla, right? They need clean, well-structured data. This is where data engineering is crucial. There can be no AI without data engineering, because you have to analyze, store, process a lot of data, and together they can create wonders. This, and also to answer further to your question, the integration of data and AI is the primary driver for job growth in the tech landscape in India. Job openings for AI engineers and junior data scientists have seen a significant rise in this year itself, 2025 so far. There has been a 32% rise in the number of fresher jobs in AI and data engineering field. AI market in India is projected to grow to 17 billion, as I already said, by the time you guys are fresh for graduation. And the fusion of these fields is increasing the benchmark for baseline salary for freshers as well, because these skills are a little bit more difficult than your traditional CS or software engineering skills, but they pay also equally more.
Thank you so much, Mr. Akash Das. I hope all the participants got their answers from our today's experts, Mr. Akash Das and Ms. Asha Rani. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. Your presence, enthusiasm, and active participation have made this experience truly special. Hopefully, the attendees found this webinar to be valuable and will be able to utilize the information for better decision making regarding admissions. If anyone wants to access this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in, or can be accessed on YouTube also. Stay connected with us for future webinars. Until we meet again, with the permission of my seniors, I will be signing off this webinar. Take care and goodbye. Have a beautiful day.